Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Ambire Wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Ambire Wallet application on your device. Soon after you open up the app, tap on the Proceed to Wallet button, tap on Get Started, and then enter a 6-digit PIN in the text box. Repeat the PIN on the next and tap on Set up Ambire Key Store. Now, select one of the options displayed on the screen. You can proceed with email, with Nano Ledger X, or external signer. I'm gonna choose the Proceed with Email option. If you already have an Ambire Wallet account, you can tap on the Login with Email option at the bottom, where you will need to enter your valid email address associated with your Ambire Wallet account. Once you are done, tap on Confirm Email. Now, you will need to go ahead and check your inbox in order to authorize logging in. Go ahead and launch open your email service provider's application or log into your email inbox and launch open the Ambire Wallet notification. Now click on Authorize New Device and select a web browser. Once it's done, get back to the Ambire Wallet application and you will be asked to enter your password. Simply go ahead and enter your password associated with Ambire Wallet in the text box. Finally, tap on Add Password to Key Store and you will be able to log into your Ambire Wallet account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.